At Aallied Die Casting Company of Illinois, excellence in aluminum die casting isn't just a promise, it's our legacy. Located in Franklin Park, Illinois, we set the standard for quality, innovation, and consistency. Privately held, centrally located, and proudly independent, our incredible team delivers expertly manufactured and finished parts for the world's top manufacturing companies. Our expertise, range of die casting machines, and cutting-edge technology allow us to adapt to an extensive range of industries and complex requirements. We optimize products to be stronger, lighter, and more cost-effective for our clients, delivering tailored solutions with unrivaled precision. And with upfront engineering and advanced automation, we ensure that every project is executed with the utmost caliber and integrity. RCM Industries' family culture extends to our unwavering customer care. We're committed to exceeding your expectations and providing real value through every stage of the manufacturing process. Experience the difference with Aallied Die Casting Company of Illinois and RCM Industries division. Let's build the future of manufacturing together.